Clean every appliance thoroughly before a move to prevent odors, pests, and disputes with landlords or lenders. Start with the refrigerator by emptying it and removing all removable shelves and drawers. Then wash those parts in hot soapy water and rinse well. Vacuum the condenser coils on the back or underneath with a brush attachment to remove dust. This improves efficiency and prevents overheating during transit. Defrost refrigerators and freezers at least 24 hours ahead if possible, and soak up remaining moisture with clean towels, then leave doors ajar with a folded towel as a spacer to prevent mold growth. For ovens and microwaves, use a food-safe degreaser or a baking soda paste on stubborn residues. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, then wipe clean and dry thoroughly. Run the dishwasher through a sanitizing cycle with a cleaning agent designed for dishwashers, and check and clear the filter and spray arms of debris so stagnant water does not create smells. For dryers, unplug and pull it away from the wall. Remove the lint trap and vacuum the vent and hose. If the vent is long or full of lint, consider hiring a vent cleaning service to reduce fire risk and prevent pests nesting inside. 3 common mistakes are moving appliances while still damp, which leads to mold and musty odors. Always towel dry, then air dry with doors open and keep moisture-absorbing packets inside during transit. A second mistake is ignoring the condenser coils or vents, which reduces efficiency and can make appliances overheat during transit. Vacuuming and clearing vents before moving eliminates that risk. A third issue is leaving food residues in refrigerators, ovens, or microwaves, which attract pests and create stains. Deep clean with degreasers and baking soda, then use a short vinegar wipe down to neutralize lingering odors. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and make it easy to post projects and read community advice about moves and appliance prep. We also host a discussion community where professionals and neighbors share real-world tips and recommendations so our members can move with less stress.